Sa May 12, bumoto tayo ng may buong dangal. Bumoto tayo ng may tapang. Let us show the world that no amount of vote buying or cheating can suppress the fury burning in our hearts. Time and again, you have heard me say, God save the Philippines. Ngayong Lunes, bumoto tayo ng diretso. And let us all save the Philippines. Ako si Inday Sara Duterte, isang botante. Syukran.